Alright guys, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I'm with this really cool, overhaul restoration set that my buddy Landon Woodruff did for me. Now, if you want to check out his Instagram, it is LRW9460R Custom Farm Toys, or just, I think if you can just search for Landon Woodruff, you'll come across him over there on Instagram. Very talented builder, very talented young builder, and he showed off this that he was doing for his own thing, and I sent him a message, and I'm like, so that would look really sweet on Dogtown. Is there any chance I could get you to make me one of those? And, well, fortunate enough, he said yes, and in fact, if you want one, send him a message. You might be able to sweet talk him into one of these. So, this is super cool. So it's like, I don't know, what am I going to call this, a restoration set or something like that? So, obviously, we've got ourselves a beautiful Soundguard deer here. We've separated the engine and front end and all that from it. He's made this cool stand for it, and then under here we've got another stand for it as well, and then I've got 3-point and all that sort of stuff back here. Nice detailed hitch and all of that. I mean, that's just so dang cool. And then this is all we've got a pallet here with the front weights on it. Because I mean, of course, you're gonna plop those off if you need to do that. I love how they're kind of weathered up too. By the way, I think that's fantastic. The whole tractor is like, this is a super high hour tractor from the looks of it. So I think it just adds to it, kind of makes it special. Here you can see we've got some of the pistons and things like that out of the tractor, and we've got a vise on the bench as well as some other goodies here as well. And I think I'm not going to swear to it, but I bet that case says DeWalt. I don't have the glasses on and all that, but how cool is that? It's super cool. And obviously rugged since I just dropped them. Here we've got kind of like our radiator, I believe, and then side screens here. He's put those together because they're going to sit on here. You've got your exhaust and your intake as well as your hood, and then this is super neat. You've got a box of John Deere parts sitting right there on the hood there. So I don't know, that's just it's just super cool. I think is one of the coolest things. I just, when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need one of those. And then he also sent me over cool little tool cabinet here with, check out the big old pipe wrench on the side. That's sweet. That's awesome. And we got a wrench on top as well, and the handle on this side. Got a cabinet. I kind of feel like that might be a paint cabinet, right? Maybe something like that. And then we got a pallet of sacks over here, so whatever sacks you kind of want those to be. But like I said, I think the star is obviously this tractor. It's incredible. It's one of those things where you see it and you go, wow, how come I didn't think of that? But obviously I didn't. It takes somebody with some fresh eyes sometime to do that. I'm super excited about getting this on the display. I'm not 100% sure yet if this will go on Dogtown Ag, which is the big fertilizer co-op dealership thing, or if it's going to go over on Dogtown Farms, so which is obviously just the smaller farm part of this. Might leave your comments in below, which do you think this belongs to? So I'm kind of open to ideas, and would be more than happy to kind of put it either place. I just want it on my display. It's kind of, anytime somebody that I know builds me something, it's going to have to find a home on my display probably, because I just feel like that's always really cool and an honor to have somebody build something like that for you. So anyway, there it is. I mean, come on guys, this workbench itself is just awesome. So I feel like we got some shop towels laid out there, and then like I said, we've got the pistons sitting there. How cool is that? Come on now. It's just insane. It's fantastic. So, in case you guys are wondering, I am feeling a little better, and I'm kind of a little more perky and getting some things done, trying to catch up on some builds for folks and things like that. And then, hopefully, maybe by this weekend, working on Dogtown a little bit. Probably going to go work over on the farm portion of Dogtown. I think first thing is everything's going to have to be cleaned up. So, that's probably what is first on the agenda. And then we'll do some organizing. Going to try to finish out the shop, I think, this week. And there's not a lot to do with it. Need to get some interior walls up and some things of that nature. Obviously get all my tools and all that sort of thing sorted over there, and we'll see where this whole thing ends up. So thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this. It's just cool. It's going to be like I said, it's going to be somewhere on the display, whether it's Dogtown Ag or Dogtown Farms. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section, and I would appreciate it. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting.